Hey guys, I'm just coming on to show you guys how to quickly book a vacation on Vacation Express as a travel agent, okay? And so if you are not already signed up with Vacation Express, your very first step is going to be to come on right here to says travel agents to travel agents without a profile. You're going to click there. Okay. And so once you click there, you're going to go ahead and, fill out all of this information. But there is a second step that, you guys have to take as a travel agent. They are implementing some new things. And so just recently, my agent was having trouble actually getting in, and she called customer service, and customer service was like, well, you have to be verified by the agency owner. So they had to, I had to send an email, but she got me on the phone, but, I still had to send an email. So whenever you're registering with Vacation Express, go ahead and in your back office, in your portal, go ahead and request access for Vacation Express as well. So I can go ahead and send that email over to Vacation Express to accept you in. So whether you request access on my end first and then do Vacation Express, like register for Vacation Express, it doesn't matter. It's like a two-step process, okay? So do both of those. So right here, we're in the portal, and let's say that we wanted to find a deal. Press deal, okay? And then so right here, let's say out of Miami, okay? Miami. All right, and then so let's say this is hotel. You know what? Let's do flight and hotel. Let's say from Miami to let's say CUN. Let's see, to CUN. All right, and then so let's say that the date was like June. Let's say it was June 8th, and then let's say it was for 10 nights. 2 adults, and then let's say 10 nights. Okay, and so this thing says Ochos Rios. I don't want that necessarily. So, the sites have cookies. They remember, your last session. Come on, it's a searching. And you know what, you guys, do not forget about your freebies and do not forget about your 20% commission inside of Vacation Express. So that is a whole nother topic, but let's go ahead and have it. So let me go ahead and sign in again. Vacation Express has its consumer facing site as well as the travel agent website as well. So I think sometimes it may get confused. I noticed at the top I was not signed in, still said sign in. So yeah, okay, so now I'm signed in. So let's go to new booking. And it'll be nice if it pulled up, well, it did not. If it pulled up everything. So Miami to CUN. And then, so what did we say? Somewhere in June, I think it was like July the 18th or something, or June the 18th. Oh, it was the 8th, I think. And then it was for 10 nights. Right, and so we're going to take a reading, and then we're going to search. Vacation Express usually has some really, really, really good deals. And the commission is pretty good as well. Commission is about 10%. But if you find one of those 20% commission deals, then guess what? Commission is going to be 20%. So when you book it, you won't see 20% right off the bat, but they will go in 24 to 48 hours and actually update your commission to 20%. So let's do this. All right, so let's find a hotel. 10 nights. So that's not bad. These prices are not bad. I'm trying to look for. Okay, so I saw something good over here. You know what? Let's look at this La Blanca. All right. View rooms. And it tells you, so this says non-refundable. That's a whole curse word. We're not going to do that. It's kind of a disservice to the clients. So all of them say non-refundable. So I guess we won't be booking. You know what? No, this is too expensive. But this is just a training. Never book non-refundable for yourself or for your clients because you never really know what's going to happen. True, if you have travel insurance, then certain things, won't matter. But for the most part, really try not to choose, non-refundable because you don't know what's going to happen. All right, so 10 nights over at La Blanca. Okay, so the commission is $1,638.70. And then over here, you can apply for the reduced deposit program, which makes the deposit pay is 100% non-refundable. You can purchase your insurance to protect it. Okay. And then, so how much is the deposit? So right now the deposit is $341, but after we click the $25 deposit program, come on. I said, okay, thanky. Hey. Well, it looks like the cancel worked, but okay. But if you choose to reduce deposit, oh, it's doing it. It's just slow, Lord have mercy. Hopefully it doesn't confuse the system. So let's see what it changes to. And so this deposit is basically due today. This is today's date. Okay. So let's see what it brings it down to. Come on, come on. All right. All right. So, it went up. Deposit due Monday, 3, 4. How many did I add on? Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. That'll do it. Let's go ahead and fix that. The fact that it let me add all this is something else, but okay. All right. So it's removing these. All right, and then while that's taking its time, in another tab, I'm gonna open up and I'm gonna show you guys about your freebies. I've talked about it before, but if you're a new travel agent, you may not know about freebies and stuff with Vacation Express, but let me show you, let me show you. Okay, so packages. Still doesn't, looks like I'm logged in, but let's go to my account. Off this out. Okay, so if you're looking for 20% hotels, 20% commission hotels, all you have to do is come on over here on the side and then just press 20% commission. Okay, so that's going to open that up right there. Right, and then so literally these are all of the hotels that have the 20% commission. It tells you your booking window and your client's travel window. You book this over in Vacation Express, they're going to automatically go in and change the commission to 20% instead of 10%. And so let's talk about freebies, right? So freebies basically means if you book X amount of nights, you get one night for free with Vacation Express that you can go back and use. So let's say Cancun. And so let's see if they have any La Blanca. Okay, so it's not there. All right. So this would be really, really good for groups and stuff. All right, so it's not there, but it doesn't matter, okay? So over here, let's say if we book that El Dorado Seaside Palms, we book 4 nights, we automatically get a freebie night. And this G right here means that if you're booking in a group or you have like a group contract, you still can get those freebies, okay? So let's jump back on over here. I didn't take all of it off. Jeez Louise, come on, give me a break. Card is empty. Oh, nice. All right. It's okay. Let's just do the calculation. So it says 375. So this is 1, 2, 3. Right. So 150. I'm gonna make it, let's say start over. I'm gonna change. Okay, continue. Close this down while it's taking its time. All right, so let's try this again. Am I still logged in? This thing is so funny. It's so raggedy sometimes. I feel like I was logged out. All right, so let's, guess we'll just choose any. Oh, here it is right here. Select. And then we're gonna choose the one that is refundable, which was the expensive one at the bottom. All right, so beautiful. All right, so let's say we like that flight, we like this flight. And I really feel like I'm logged into the consumer portal. This is annoying. Let's try this again. This is LeBlanc. It's a searching. It's a searching. All right. So let's look at the rooms. And so AO means adults only. All right. So we're back in business. All right. So total deposit is $341. And so let's go ahead and click that. Gonna only hit it one time. Okay, so it took off $41 per person. Let's see. When you select the reduced deposit plan at a cost of $25 per person, your initial deposit is lowered to just $275 per person, plus the $25 plan fee for a total of $300 per person. Insurance, if applicable, may be rounded up. Okay, so I guess sometimes the flights are like super, super expensive, which makes the deposit go up. So I don't know. But you have the option to reduce deposit there. Okay. But here it is, 1638 is the commission that's on this. And if it was one of those, we get commission on the tours and stuff too. Okay. The only thing I can say about these tours over here in Vacation Express, make sure you're booking it for the date that they actually do the tour on. So look, it says Monday through Friday. And so if you come over here and you try to put it in for a Saturday, it's not going to add it to the cart. And you're going to be like, why is it not added to the cart? It's not adding it to the cart because that tour does not run on that day. So always check that. So if you guys have any questions about booking on Vacation Express, hey, listen, shoot me a text message, call me, or put your question in the comments. Until then, I'll talk to you later. Bye.